Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Peace and today I will be walking you guys through the basic steps of how to build a business. So let's get right into the video. So first things first, before you get into business, you need to know what you want to sell. If you're into fitness, you might want to sell diet plans and show people how to eat more healthy. Or you might want to sell workout videos and show people how to work out different parts of their bodies step by step. If you're into event planning, you might want to start an events planning business and help people coordinate their birthday parties or their baby showers or different types of events. You should create a business around something that you're passionate about because you'll be less likely to give up if things hit a plateau and you feel like things aren't going the way that you envisioned. The next step is to create a business plan, and it's exactly what it sounds like, a plan for your business. You need to know what your business is about. You need to know what services or products you're selling. You need to know what milestones you want to hit for your business. You need to know the financial projections that you want to accomplish in the first month, the first 6 months, the first year, the first 2 years of your business. And you need to know what strategies you're going to take in order to accomplish those goals, those milestones, and financial projections. A business plan is so important because if you can't envision your business past this starting point, you're not going to get very far. You need to know what you want to accomplish with this business and how you're going to accomplish those things. And that brings me to the next step. You need to figure out your financial plan. Depending on the type of business that you're running, you need to figure out if you would need a loan for the startup costs or if you can use your job to fund the startup cost of your company just until things are up and off the ground and your business can fund its own self. Right now, I'm using my 9-to-5 to fund my inventory and the documentation costs and all that. And by documentation costs, I mean like all the filing for paperwork and things that I need to pay for in order to get my LLC officially established. Now, you need to pick a name for your business. You need to pick a name that you absolutely love because this is basically your second name. This is the name that you want everybody to remember. So you need to pick something that you love, whether that's because it's really catchy or because there's a significant meaning behind the name. My business name is EP.1 Life. EP for all my Nigerians out there, specifically Edo State, or EV Life LLC. I picked the name EP.1 Life because the name EP in Nigeria, specifically Edo State, means prosperous child, and I want my business to be very prosperous. So I figured the perfect name would be EP.1 Life, EP.1 Lifestyle. I want to have a prosperous lifestyle. That's all I want. Additionally, I wanted my business to have some sort of tie to my culture, so when I said it or thought about it, it would just take me back. But again, you guys don't have to have a name that has this huge significance behind it. It could just be something that's really catchy and people love to say. All right, now that you have a name, you need to determine the type of business structure that you want to have. If I'm not mistaken, there are 4 main types of business structures. And the first one is a sole proprietorship, a partnership, a limited liability company, and a corporation. Typically, small businesses that are starting up usually form sole proprietorships or LLCs. The difference between a sole proprietorship and an LLC is that when you have a sole proprietorship, you are the sole owner of your company, and there is no real difference between you and your business. There's no boundary. So in the unfortunate case that you get sued, if that happens, if they sue your business, they also sue you. So you could lose everything. However, with a limited liability company, or LLC for short, if someone decides to sue your business, you and your family are protected. They just sue your business, but everything you have is completely safe. And although a sole proprietorship does cost less and is a more simple business structure, an LLC does have more financial benefits in the long run when it comes to taxes. So do your research and determine what type of structure you want to have. After that, you need to register with your state. And there's a whole bunch of documentations that you need to fill out. You could hire someone to do it, but I feel like if you're the only owner right now, it's best for you to get your hands dirty and just know what's happening and know what's going into the business. You need to be very involved in this process. I do have a video coming out on how I got my LLC for free. Yes, you heard that right, for free. So stay tuned and I'll let you guys know what that process was like and what I had to do to get my LLC for free. Now you are ready to launch. You know what you're selling, you know what your business plan is, you know how you're funding your business, you know all of that information. Now you're ready to start promoting the crap out of your business. By the way, how you promote should have also been documented in your business plan. So I personally like to go to pop-up shops and sell my lip glosses and sunglasses to customers. That way I sort of build a relationship, and if they like me or my products, sometimes they do come back. I also do enjoy email marketing. I like collecting my customers' emails and sending them out information on the new inventory I have, on different information about my business, as well as giveaways. Sometimes I do have giveaways, so stay tuned. If you would like to join my giveaway, please make sure you join my email list, and I'll have that linked down below in the description. And that's all the information that I have for you guys today. I know I didn't really go that much into detail, but I just wanted to give you guys a very brief overview of the steps I took to start my business. If you guys do want me to go into detail on anything, please let me know down below in the comments, and I'll make sure to reply back to you and create a video. And don't forget to subscribe. It shows me that you guys really love the content that I'm making and what I have to say. So please support your girl. Also, link to my website down below. You know, if you guys like something, buy something, you know? I really hope the information that I gave was helpful to someone, anyone, anywhere. If it was, please let me know down below. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.